In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Attack on Titan Revolution on PlayStation. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access Attack on Titan Revolution on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It is incredibly easy to do, and you will be able to do it as soon as you open the game and you use the search function to look for Attack on Titan Revolution. When you look for Attack on Titan Revolution, it should be the first experience to pop up. You can confirm that it is the official one because it is developed by AOTR Verified and it has more than 100 million visits. You will notice that I am doing this process on a PC, but don't worry, it is going to be exactly the same on your PlayStation console, and you will be able to see all of the controls. So as you can see under the description, they have every single button that you need to be aware of. So hooks with L1 plus R1, boost with B, reload with X, slash with R2, swerves with the D-pad. Now, of course, these are defaulted to Xbox buttons, but they are going to work on a PlayStation, so you don't have to worry. You just have to press the equivalent button. So when you join Attack on Titan Revolution, you will be able to configure all of the controls. And even though you might see Xbox symbols being displayed, you will still be able to play with the PlayStation controller. So navigating through the menus can be quite difficult, but you will be able to use the controller. It simply needs to be detected, and once you press the options or the select button, you will be able to get this done. So I'm just gonna reconnect my controller, and then you will be able to navigate through the menus using the options button like I mentioned. You can go over to the controls if you would like to change some stuff. So as you can see, everything here was adjusted to the controller buttons. So everything will be set up properly and you can change this at any time. And if you are satisfied, you just have to go over to play, create a new mission, and you will be able to play Attack on Titan Revolution on your PlayStation console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Attack on Titan Revolution on PlayStation. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!